interrupted with the Amfrt64.dll blocking your software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. This DLL file is the 64-bit AMD Media Framework Runtime library. It provides applications with hardware-accelerated video encoding and decoding capabilities, utilized by streaming software and video editors for high efficiency. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of AMD Radeon Software to restore the Amfrt64.dll library without risking system instability. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Amfrt64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install the Amfrt64.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing the Amfrt64 within a Windows library environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and AMD Radeon software error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.